How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section home that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Armstrong. I am back again with another Single Section Sunday, and today I am here with a highly requested video. Tons of you have left comments on YouTube. You've hit me up on the DMs saying, Mr. Tiny, please bring back the Armstrong on a Single Section Sunday, because it was such a hit the very first time I've showcased it. Now keep in mind, when I've showcased it before, I showcased in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath version. That 2-bedroom version even was wheelchair friendly. Now, today, I'm bringing it back even better. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths in this home for you. So this home, as of today, if you are in the market for a 3-bedroom, the Armstrong may be the one you need to strong arm and come see me so I can make it happen for you. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,365 square feet, and it's on sale today. First person that hits me up for 101K. 101K, and I ain't talking about 101 Dalmatians, and I'm not Cruella de Vil, but I'm gonna make it happen for you here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This home is packed with tons of character, like we tend to do here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We don't send you them same old run-of-the-mill cookie cutter mobile homes. We make high upscale luxury manufactured housing for clients that want to be debt-free in the coming future. This is where you're going to get it at, and it starts right here in the Armstrong in the living area. Again, this home is 18 foot wide. It's 78 feet in length. Let me say that again. 18 foot wide, the largest you can go in a single section, and it's 78 feet in length. This is a big boy single section. So this home right here, as you can see, that we've got laid out with the open concept right off the bat. As soon as you're in the living area, you see the beautiful 12-foot tower dormer. You've got 3 transom windows up top, 3 picture windows down below. We've got the crown molding wrapping around. We've got in-ceiling venting. We have the ceiling fan with the 3 blades in nickel. But you know I like to do things a little different here when I bring something back. You've asked, you said, I had one comment specifically say, Mr. Tiny, can you put a fireplace in the Armstrong? I said, guess what? Look for a future video. I'll make it happen for you. They said, no, you can't. I said, yes, I can. They said, no, you can't. I said, you man me. No, I'm just playing. But this is what I've done for you right here in the Armstrong. A half rock wood burning fireplace with Austin stone. Ouch! It's real, guys. It's real rock here for you. Real Austin stone we've got here. It's got the mantle right here for you. You've already got it pre-prepped right here for TV jacks and outlet right here on the wall, so you can go ahead and put your TV up there. And then on each side, you see that we've got these windows bringing in even more natural light. With this home being 18 foot in width, you've got space for everything that you need. You've got a full-size sectional in here, chairs on this side. You even got spots over here. You might as well throw a recliner over here or something. Another table, it doesn't matter. You got the option in the Armstrong. Now keep in mind, I told you this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Follow me on down to the guest side so you can see these 2 guest bedrooms. And also check out these vaulted ceilings. We got them going from front to back of this particular home. We've also got the rear door right here. There's the blinds in the glass. That's for the back of the home. You can come in right here and it leads you right down the hallway. And we've got guest bedroom number 1. You walk in here. This is a great bedroom to be used for a lot of you that may be working from home. You may need a home office. This would be the perfect room to do so. Also, if you got additional storage that you need and you don't want to rent a storage building every month, then this is an option for you. I know a lot of you out there is doing that right now. Your wife got some things hidden from Amazon. She's stuffing in that storage building, but that's beside the point. But this could be the room that you make it happen. Or if you got, kids, this is another room that they can stay in that can accommodate, works great for a nursery as well. Got a small closet here. Go in there, you got the shelf and rod in there, so you got some hanging space, some storage space down below. Keep a ceiling fan in every room, 3-blade to be exact. And then you follow me on out and we'll go to guest bedroom number 2, which is the largest of the 2. And this is going to be where you have even more space. So you can fit easily a queen size bed in here. You've got a window here off the end of the room to bring in that natural light. You got more space than the prior room. And then you even have more closet space as well. So you've got that shelf and rod that extends down the closet length. And then of course, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So you're going to have a guest bathroom here on this end as well. What's great is that this is a split floor plan. You've got rooms on one end, bathroom on one end, and the master bedroom on the other. So follow me in here to the guest bathroom, and you'll see we've got plenty of storage here. We've got your cabinetry up top. We've got the drawers down below. And then since it's a guest bathroom, we make it multifunctional. We've got the bath and shower together. So we've got the tub shower combo. It's in a fiberglass finish, so it's easy to clean and maintain. You get your scrub and dub on and get out. And then right here as well, we've got your toilet right here tucked off to the side. We've got your linen up above your toilet as well. And then you guys follow me and you see why this Armstrong is such a great home if you are in the market right now and you are looking for something as large as a single section, but you want a if you're looking for something as large as a multi-section, but you're on a single section budget. This is the one that you can check all the boxes and feel like you didn't even have to downgrade. This has got everything that you need packed in one. And you see this open concept, it flows perfectly right here into the dining room. Keep in mind, you got weathered barnwood plank flooring going throughout the home. You've also got colonnade gray interior walls, and we've added gale force blue interior accent walls in your dining, your living space, and on your island. So not only do you get an island in the kitchen that you can sit at, eat, and enjoy a nice meal, but you've got a designated area off here to the side where you can have a dining table. You see, we had to throw in 3 more picture windows just because we wanted to. And not only does it look great from the inside, it looks great from the exterior because it's aesthetically appealing with having the 3 picture windows in the living area, 3 picture windows in the dining, and it just ties everything in together. Now follow me into the kitchen, and you'll see here that we've got the soft sand shaker cabinets going throughout. So we've got the pantry right here. We've even got drawers down below, tons of storage space. We went with the Serena countertops. This is the countertops that we chose to go on this model. Blends lovely in here as well. We went with the black appliances, smooth top oven, got the microwave up top, and then you got your sink in the island as well as your dishwasher. So you got the space convenient here. We've even got USB ports because you know everybody's phone is always about to die. So you can always plug it in easily and convenient. We've got everything wrapped around here as well. You see, you want to ask, I had a client ask me, Mr. Tiny, do I need to add some outlets to my house? They ordered one from me. They were asking about it. I said, no. I said, Mr. Tiny's got you covered. Do you think you need outlets added to your home? I don't think so. We got it covered here. Everywhere that you can imagine an outlet can be, it is. And then right here as well, we've got the side-by-side refrigerator, ice in the door. But what's great about the Armstrong is that it checks all the boxes. Everything has its area. Not only do you get the living space, dining space, kitchen, you get a full-size utility room in the Armstrong. So here you can see how big this room is. You got space right here for your washing machine and dryer. You've even got space for a freezer, or like we call it in the South, a deep freeze. Y'all know what I'm talking about out there. And then we've got additional storage up top. And this is a great space for you to have to sit here and do some laundry. And then you come back out and you're in the main bedroom right here. And you can see you've got enough space in here for whatever size bed you would like to include. You've got the window here bringing in some natural light. You've got the main wall here as well. And then, of course, if you're in the main bedroom, then you know you're going to get the big boy closet. So we got the walk-in closet here for you. We've got shelf and rod down below. We've got shelf and rods up high. You've got plenty of hanging space and storage space. And for those of you, you look behind this false wall right here, that's where we got your water heater, 50 gallon to be exact. I know those husbands out there waiting on your wife saying, I want to get down to the nitty gritty. What's it built out of? Well, there's your water heater. You got a 50 gallon, walls are 2x4, 16 inches on center, double thermal pane windows. The list goes on. I mean, we do it the right way that it needs to be done here. And then right here, we got the main bathroom. Come on in for a trip to the spa, because we got your bathtub here centered, beautiful window up above, and then we've got the split vanities. So if your husband's on one side shaving, you know he gets all those little hairs all over the sink that you hate cleaning, let him worry about it because he's got his own side. And then you got your side over here. And it's great because you got big mirrors on each side. You've got the dual vanities there. You've got your toilet right here with additional linen up top, and then even more storage. You've got a 6-door linen pantry right in here, guys. This is a great option to have. And then you follow me right over here. And of course, we gave you a tub, but you also get a shower. So you got the step-in shower right here. And you can see you've got enough space for any size person that you'd like to be. You've got the insets on each side, so you can sit down, go ahead and do what you gotta do, take a load off if you need to. And then once you're done, come back out, so fresh and so clean, and then you are good to go and enjoy your Armstrong. I'm telling you, if you're in the market for a single section, this is a great option, a fantastic option if you are wanting to make your dream home come true and go ahead and get a quality constructed home here at Recreational Resort Cottages. You see when you come from the main bedroom, when you come back out, whew, welcome back to the party. It's good to have you again. You see right here, you got, again, the dining area, all the windows, the natural light that you get. Look how beautiful this home is, guys. This is amazing that what we've done here at the Armstrong to even add even more character to a home that already had so much. Just throwing in a fireplace, adding another bedroom down there for you. This is a great option for you. So this is the pop that you need. And either way you look, whether it's windows or fireplace, you got the appeal to make everyone feel like this is a place that they need to stay and have a good old day. Now I want to thank you again for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday. Remember the Armstrong that I've got right here. It's an 18-foot wide, 78 feet in length, on sale today. And I stress today because I got people calling me 6 months later asking about a certain house. I say, hey man, that was sold. You know, it was sold a week after it uploaded the video, or a day after it uploaded the video. Sometimes before I even upload the video. It's that quick, guys, because people are realizing the quality of the construction we're getting here. So I'll say again, this home is $101,000 today as you see this video. So first come, first serve, and you're going to get the Armstrong exactly as you see it right here. Also, thank you so much tuning in to another Single Section Sunday. Remember to like the videos. Let me know how I'm doing. Liking the videos goes a long way in spreading the channel and getting us out there to somebody who may be in need of housing. And it may not be you interested in a single section, but you hitting that like button spreads it to somebody that will need some single section housing. Also, If you're not interested in that, we've got multi-sections, we've got tiny homes, we've got anything you need from 399 square feet up to 2,500 square feet. So hitting that like button spreads the love to everybody, and I thank you for it if you choose to do so. Next, comment. Again, let me know what you think about the fireplace that was added. Let me know what you think about the 3-bedroom version rather than the 2-bedroom version. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your favorite part is, and what you would like to see in a future Single Section Sunday video. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you're part of the family. If you're not subscribed, I'm telling everybody, hurry up, jump on the bandwagon before it leaves you, because I'm telling you, we're just hit 150,000 subscribers and we're growing at a very rapid pace. So I thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. You are now part of the RRC family here. Also, thank you so much for everyone. Make sure if you want to contact me about the Armstrong directly, follow me on Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling this home as well as hundreds of others right off of my Instagram. So contact me directly. I'm not hidden behind any phones, automated numbers, and things like that. Contact me day or night, and I'll get the Armstrong right for you. And I thank you so much, and I will see you next Single Section Sunday.